In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers in Google Docs. Whether you're preparing a document for work, school, or personal use, knowing how to properly format your pages can make a significant difference in readability and professionalism. Let's dive right in to get started with this straightforward process. First, open your document in Google Docs. With your document open, you'll want to navigate to the top menu. Here, find and click on the Format tab. This is where most of the tools for formatting your document are located. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options, all aimed at helping you customize your document's appearance. From the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Page Numbers and give it a click. Now, this option is specifically designed to help you add and customize page numbers in your document. Once clicked, a pop-up will appear giving you several choices about the layout and style of your page numbers. In this pop-up window, you'll see a variety of positions where you can place your page numbers within the document. You can choose to have them at the top of the page or at the bottom, on the right, left, or centered, whichever suits your document style best. Select a position that you feel works best for your document layout. After deciding on the position, the next step is to choose where you want your numbering to start. To do this, click on the Start At box within the pop-up. This option allows you to customize at which number the first page will begin. You can start custom numbering anywhere, but for today's demonstration, you'll type in the number 3. This is especially handy if you're working with documents that have title pages or tables of contents at the beginning, and you want the page numbers to start at a specific point. Once you've set starting number, it's time to apply these changes. Hit the Apply button at the bottom of the pop-up to affix your preferences. This will confirm your selections and update your document with the page numbers styled and placed exactly where and how you want. And there you have it. You've successfully added customized page numbers to your Google Docs document. This simple but essential feature can elevate the professionalism of your document, making them precise and organized for any reader. Remember, you can always revisit these options to make further adjustments if needed. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most of Google Docs in your future